Welcome from the CES 2018. My name is Balazs and we have here a beautiful speaker which is called the extra bass, of course, SRS-XB31. Then there's also a 41 and a 21 available. I will tell you in a minute what the differences are, but let's first check out the 31. So you will have still your beautiful ambient lighting here, that looks quite nice. You have strobo. If I play some music, you can see it here on the side, blinking. Obviously quite amazing, 24 hours of battery life at max, like the 41, the 31 has 24 hours. But what you have here also is the possibility to use that battery life, so I can charge my smartphone, tablet or whatever I want here with that. You have your micro USB, so I can charge the device itself. You have your 3.5mm audio in, and you can change the lights and everything else also here if you don't want to do it via the app that's obviously available for free. Some rubber legs, and now it's also IP67 certified, which means splash proof and dust proof. You can also drop it from up to about 3 feet. You shouldn't do it, but obviously that's possible. And we have a party boost feature. You can hear a little bit of music playing from my smartphone right now, but I can also do this. So depending on which side you will hit, it gives out a different sound. Now, come on. It's not as loud on the top, but that's a nice little drumming feature if you want to create your own music while playing something in the background. Otherwise, you have your regular buttons like the on and off switch and pairing, volume rocker and play and pause. There's always a microphone built in, NFC solution, and you have the different sizes I mentioned. So for $249 you get a little bit of a nicer strobo light and bigger and better sound also coming out to the sides, so you can give it a little bit more of a wide gamut. Then we have here the one that I showed you, the 31, the SRS-XB31, and the 21 is for $99, the cheapest, smallest, but that has also the party boost feature. You can clap and do everything, but it doesn't have the strobo lights and no special light effects just in the middle. So $99, $199 and $249 are the prices for the 2018 new extra bass Bluetooth speaker series. Thank you much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Balazs, and check out also all the other colors on Amazon that I've linked below once they're available, starting at around March. So thank you much for tuning in again. See you guys around with more videos soon from my channel.